Hello children, today I am going to tell you all about the part 2 of the chapter Factors and Multiples. In my previous video, I have already spoken about factors. Today I will explain about multiples. So let us begin. What are multiples? When we multiply two or more numbers, we get another number. This number is called the product. Let me show you an example. Now let us multiply any two numbers. Example, take 2 multiplied by 3. So 2 multiplied by 3, we get the answer 6. As we multiply two numbers 2 into 3, we get the answer 6. So here 6 is the product. So now we have to keep in mind that the product is a multiple of any of these multiples. And the multiple means number of times. Example, 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15. So, 15 is 5 times 3 and 15 is also 3 times 5. Therefore, we see that 15 is a multiple of 3 and 5. The next point that we need to remember is that when a number is multiplied by 1, we get the first multiple. When the number is multiplied by 2, we get the second multiple, and so on. So, now let us find the multiples of 2. To find the multiples of 2, we will start with 1. 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2, our first multiple. Then 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4, our second multiple. 2 multiplied by 3, 6 is our third multiple. 2 multiplied by 4, 8 is our fourth multiple. 2 multiplied by 5 equals to 10, our fifth multiple, and so on. Here we see that the multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. Now I will be telling you all about some multiple facts that will help you to find the multiples of numbers easily. Here the first point that we need to remember is that 0 is a multiple of every number. Example, 0 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0, 0 multiplied by 1 is equal to 0, and 0 multiplied by 2 is equal to 0, and so on. Therefore, from the examples we see that 0 is a multiple of every number. Now the next fact that we need to remember is that every number is a multiple of 1. Example, 1 into 1 is equal to 1, 1 into 2 is equal to 2, 1 into 3 is equal to 3, and so on. The third point that we need to remember is that the first multiple of every number is the number itself. Example, 2 into 1 will give us 2, 3 into 1 will give us 3, 4 into 1 will give us 4, and so on. The next multiple fact that we need to remember is that The multiples of a number are either greater than or equal to the number, but never small. The next point is the multiple of a number can be divided by the number without leaving any remainder. Let me show you an example. Is 16 a multiple of 4? To know, we divide 16 by 4. We get the quotient 4 and 0 remainder. Then next we see 64 is a multiple of 8. We divide 64 by 8 and get the quotient 8 and 0 remainder. Similarly, 25 is a multiple of 5. We divide 25 by 5 and get the quotient 5. All of these numbers get divided without leaving any remainder. So these numbers are multiples of the number. Another important fact that you all need to remember is that multiples are unlimited, as numbers are never ending. Now I am going to tell you all about checking multiple by division. The point that we need to keep in mind is in multiplication sum, the product is also the multiple of all the numbers being multiplied. Therefore, to find out if a number, say for example x, is a multiple of the other number, say for example y, what do? We divide x by y. Here, if there is no remainder, then it is a multiple. Now let me show you an example. Now look at this example. Is 20 a multiple of 4 and 5? We know that 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20 and 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4, or 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. Therefore, 4 and 5 divide the number 20 without leaving a remainder. So, 20 is a multiple of 4 and 5. Let me show you another example. Is 21 multiple of 3 and 5? First we divide 21 with 3. We get 7 as a quotient and 0 remainder. Then we divide 21 by 5. We get 4 as a quotient and 1 being the remainder. Therefore, we see that 21 is a multiple of 3 because there is no remainder. But it is not a multiple of 5 because there is remainder as 1. Next, I will be telling you all about common multiples and least common multiples or LCM. So to begin with, what are common multiples? Multiples which are common to 2 or more than 2 numbers are called common multiples. Now let me show you an example. In this example, we will find the common multiples of number 5 and 10. So let us begin. We will begin with the multiples of 5, mainly 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and so on. Then we will write the multiples of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and so on. After finding the multiples of 5 and 10, we will find the common multiples in both. Example, 10 being common, 20 being common, 30 being common for both, 40 being common for both, and so on. So we see that the common multiples for both the numbers are 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on. These are the common multiples of both 5 and 10. Now I will be telling you all about the least common multiple or LCM. So what is LCM, children? The least common multiple of two or more numbers is the smallest number which is divisible by each of the given numbers. Now let me show you an example. As we saw from our previous example that the common multiples of 5 and 10 are 10, 20, 30 and 40. These being the common multiples, we can easily see the least common multiple or the smallest number among the common multiple. That is here the number 10. Therefore, we conclude that out of these four common multiples, 10 is the smallest or the least common multiple. The LCM of 5 and 10 is the number 10. Let me show you another example of finding common multiples. Say for example, find the first three common multiples of 3 and 6. For this, we will first write the multiples of 3, mainly 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and so on. Then we write the multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and so on. After writing the multiples of 3 and 6, we circle the common numbers or the common multiples. 6, 12, 18. Therefore, common multiples of 3 and 6 are 6, 12 and 18. Next, let me show you an example how to find the LCM of 3 and 5 from the given set of numbers. So first we write the multiples of 3 from the given set of numbers. They are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Then we write the multiples of 5. They are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. After we write all the multiples of 3 and 5 from the given set of numbers, we then find the common multiples of both. So the common multiples are 15, 30. Therefore, common multiples of 3 and 5 are 15, and 30. And the LCM or the least common multiple of 3 and 5 is 15. So hope I could explain the multiples, common multiples and the least common multiples. That's all for today, children. Have a nice day.